Good morning. Myself Ashish Desai, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department. Today I am presenting a 3D model by using Autodesk Fusion 360. So first of all, we discuss these components and we draw in a Fusion 360. So first of all, we enter into the software, that is Fusion 360. So this is the workplace, that is design workplace. Now we construct this model into the Fusion. So first of all, we discuss this model. So this length is about 20 plus 80 plus 20, so that's why it becomes 120, and this is 80. So first of all, we construct this rectangle. So we construct a rectangle. First of all, we create the sketch, then we select the plane, then we select a rectangle. So that rectangle should be center point rectangle. So this center point rectangle we construct here. So top surface. So this should be 80 and this should be 120. So then okay, then use command extrude. So press only E button, then go to the home, and that rectangle size will be 15, that is 15 mm. So 50, that is 15 mm. So it is, I want in negative side, so that's why minus 15. So it is at the bottom of the side. Then I want this circle. So this major circle is about 80 mm, and that depth, sorry, that height is 20. So that's why first of all I select this face, then I want stop surface. So first of all I select a center point rectangle, then this circle will be 80 mm. So I put value 80 mm, then go to the home. Again I can select this profile, press E button, that is extrude, and this is about 20 mm. So say okay, or you can say enter. Then next, this, after that it should hold is 60 mm, because this is 60. So after that again I select this create sketch, then go to the top side. So I want here 60 mm diameter, 60. So I put the value of 60, 0, then I enter again. Then this depth is 15 mm. So 60 mm dia is having 50 mm depth. So 50 mm depth, that means we can extrude command can use again, and then minus 15. So minus 15 you can press over here. After that I want to again create sketch for this circle. That circle is having diameter 30. So I select this point and I go to the top of the side. So 30 mm is required, so I can press 30, and after that I want the extrude command, that E. So it is again extrude in negative manner throughout hole. Again say this hole is about minus 20. So this hole is again about minus 20. So minus 20 you can press it, say okay. After that we construct this feature. So that's why, so first of all we construct this rectangle. So this rectangle length is 80 and this height is 50. So here already we completed 15. So this is the 15, this edge. So that's why this 15 is completed. So that's why I want 50 minus 15, that's why 35. So again I pan it, then I select the face over here, and then select on right hand side. Then I select a create rectangle, 2-point rectangle here. So first point is this one, and this length is 80 and 35 is the height. So I construct 35 here. Then I want this circle. So this circle, half circle diameter is, this circle diameter is 80, because this is parallel to this edge, so this is the 80 mm. So that's why again I construct the circle from this side and only I put the value 80 mm. So after that click OK. Then I can use trim command and I remove the above this part, unwanted part. Then again I want this hub, that's full circle, that is diameter is having 32, so 32 is there, so that's why I go to 32, say OK. After that I want to extrude up to this 20 mm, so that's why 20 mm, so command extrude. So extrude command is used here, and this width is 20, so that's why I can construct up to 20, but it is on negative side, so put up to the minus 20 on that side. So okay, again this feature I want to develop on that side also, so that's why I enter into the create, then mirror, and then I select this feature. So here extrude command is there, so I can extrude this feature, select, here we select the features, and then I want to mirror, so this face, this side is required, so that's why mirror plane with this one side, and then say okay. So this is the actual 3D part by using Fusion 360. Suppose I want require to given to the appearance, so only press A button. So after pressing the A, so the color will be formed. You can give the color to each and every face, otherwise you can directly give to the body. So if it is required body, then select bodies, or you can say select faces. So if it is select faces, then I want given the color directly, so mint is there, paint is there, okay. So I select here, this face is given to you, so likewise we put up the color here, so likewise we given the color to this whole entire, so this is for using feature based. So likewise I will given to the color, then close it. So this is regarding the this face. Now we move next 3D model. This is the 3D model we have prepared for here. So we select next tab, then I will select create sketch, then I will move to the this point, or I can say this plane. So first of all we construct this feature, so that is the this L shape I can form first and then extrude it, and then we construct a rib, and after that we can form this edge. So first of all this length is 100, right? This is the 60, so you can see here 60, this is 100, and this width is 30, and then we construct these lines. So first of all we get to the sketches mode, so create sketch, then you can consider line mode. I want this surface, again I construct the plane over here. So I select this face, then I go into the front surface. So I construct the using line command, I construct this whole entire geometry. So first of all we construct to up to the 100. So this is 100. Then I want here to 60 height, so I put up the value 60 here. Then again I want a line command, so this is up to 30, so 30. Then so this is the 30 and this is the 20, so 60 minus 20 up to 40. So again I select line, so this is up to 40. Then I select line command, then up to move to this and then join the geometry. Then I use the command extrude, so extrude up to this length will be, width will be 50, sorry 50 not, this is the 30 plus 10 plus 10, so 50, right? So 50, so I can put the value minus 50 over here, say okay. After I want the circle over here, so the circle is dia is 30, so put up the 30 value over there. So again I can create a sketch on that face, so select top surface and I want circle over here. So first of all I find out the midpoint, I draw the circle of 30 mm dia. Then again I go to the extrude command, so by pressing E, then I select this profile and I remove this entire material. So this is regarding the circle, and then I want to form a rib. So this is total 50, this length is 50, so at the 25 edge this rib will be there. So I construct the offset plane, so this select, so minus 25 put here, so please okay. After that I want line command, so create sketch and select this plane because construct at this point only. So after that I want line command, then select these two corners, say okay or enter it. Then again I go to the create mode, sorry solid mode for creating the rib, create the rib. So here rib option is there, then I select this line and this rib is for 10 mm, so on both of the sides 5, so symmetrically we can, so it is 5, so that's why symmetric end is there, so 5 mm on both sides, so that's why 5 mm, so okay. Then we move for this particular slot, so it is from 20 and then 10, and it is, this angle is 45, so I construct first simply manner. So I want this create sketch mode, so select mode, then I want this side, so I select a line command, then approximately I go to this side and then we can strip for 45 degree, so here 45 degree select for here. After that it should be having length, uh, it is appropriate for, it is not given, so simply select an approximate end. Then I want, this is angle 45, then okay. Then I select a sketch dimension mode, so from this end to this end this length is required 20, so select 20 here. Then from this point to this point, this point to this point is approximately 30, so this point to this point, it is approximately 30. Then this angle is, sorry, this height is 10 mm. So this to this is exact 10 mm. After that, so this angle, so if you're placing the this point to this point, this is 135. That means it is, that means 135. So again I select this point to this point, so this is 45. Okay, so this is again 45. So finish sketch, and then I use the command E extrude. So I select E button and then can create a slot. So this is the next job. Then again we can go for appearance. So press only A button from the keyboard. Then if you select bodies command, then we will give the color. So this color goes to the for body. If you select this face, select this for the face command. So here face command, then and then only the color goes to the faces side. So this is the, so likewise you can select the color and give the appearance to the system. So this is the second component. Then we move for third component. So this is the third component put up here. So this is the new component. So this length is 100, this is the 10, and this width is 50. So first of all we construct this rectangle and we extrude up to 10 mm, and after that we construct this geometry and then extrude it. So first of all we go to the sketch mode, then I select the plane from this end, then we select the top surface, then so I select for 100 by 50, otherwise we first select 100 and 10. So we select 110. After that we complete this whole geometry. So I select first rectangle, this length is, this width is 10 mm, and this, press the tab and here put the value of 100. So this is the, then I command use the extrude command. So this is having 50. So first of all I consider the 100 by 10 and then extrude for 50. So this is for 50. So I take minus 50 over here, minus 50. Say okay. After that I want to select this face, and then go to the front side. Then I want these two circles. So first circle is 20 mm radius, so 40 mm is the diameter, and inside circle is 20. So approximately I draw here 40 mm. Then second circle is about 20 mm, and both this point to this point, from center one to this edge is height with 50 mm. So go to the sketch dimension, this point to this side point, this is 50 mm. Then I go to the construct the line, so line command is here. Then I select this face to this point, enter it. After that again I select the line command and then select this point to this point, then escape. Then I draw the, so first of all I made a tangent to this is tangent 1 and then this is a tangent. So after that I draw a line, so from this face to this face. Then I trim out this unwanted portion. So can you point x2 and this is the up to 50 mm. So this is on next minus 50. You can put here minus 50. Say okay, and then we go for this slot. So this is 50 by 10. So again I 50 on that side, 10 on that side. So again I select this curved sketch, go to this top edge, then I select the line command. You can say select rectangle. Approximately I draw here first. So this parallel edge is 50. So here put a 50. Then you can press the tab button and then it is 10 mm. So say okay. After that we go to the home and from this edge, from this edge to this edge. So totally is 30. This is 30. So 10, 10. So that's why this edge to this edge 10 mm is there. So here I go to the again sketch dimension. This point to this point, it should be approximately 10 mm. So say okay. Then go to the extrude command, that is E, and select this point, say cut, and then okay. So here we use the command extrude. After that we go to the create mode mirror because I want to this dot on that side also. So again feature, then you can select this extrude command. So this feature will select automatically and select, and then face will be selected, that is mirror plane, and then adjust. Okay, so this is the object we are draw here. So again go to the home. So this is the third geometry which will be draw here. So again we view the appearance. So press A button. After that we select as per your committed, and we go for bodies or faces. Suppose we select the bodies here, then it should be given color to the body. So close it and then we can play here, then how to draw it here. Similarly we draw here like this. First of all we place the rectangle, then circles, depth circles, then we can create the feature. Then next draw this command, this chop, and last one is this one. So thank you. This is about first tutorial. So next tutorial we will discuss next three 3D models. Thank you.